Welcome to Learning Python at Home Part 2. In this part, we will be making
application of a grocery store. So, first I will open the file and the new file in Python. Type print brackets inverted commas welcome, then you will type your shop's name, now I will close the inverted commas and I will close my brackets. Then in the next line I will type print, then I will start brackets, then I will start my inverted commas. Items will be displayed one by one. To select, press Y, and to reject, press N. I'll close the inverted commas and I'll close my brackets. Now in the next line I will type wheat is equals to the price of wheat. Then in the next line I will type rice is equals to the price of rice. Then the next line I will type sugar is equals to the price of sugar. Then the next line I will type milk is equals to the price of milk. Tea is equal to the price of tea, and coffee is equal to the price of coffee. Now in the next line I will type bill is equals to 0. Now I will type num, which is the short form for number, is equals to input brackets inverted commas rice. I will close the inverted commas and I will close my bracket. Now in the next line I will type if bracket num is equals to y, or num is equals to small y. I'll close my brackets and put colons. Now in the next line I will type quantity is equals to float brackets input, then I'll start another brackets, put inverted commas and type enter quantity. Now I'll close the inverted commas and close the brackets. Now I will type bill plus is equals to rice into num into quantity. Now I will copy this code for all the other things. Now I will make the final bill, which is print brackets inverted commas the bill amount is. Now I will close the inverted commas and I will put a comma and I will type bill. Now I will close the brackets. Now we will run this module. Here you saw that I have entered two numbers, but it did not react. This happened because if the answer of yes or no is anything except yes, it will not take the quantity and add it to the bill.